Hello students, welcome to the e-education platform of Pathshala. Now today we are going to discuss about chapter 12, that is reproduction in plants of class 7 science. The topics that we are going to discuss in this chapter are, first of all, about the topic itself, that is the most important topic, that is what is reproduction. Then the kinds of reproduction, or we can say that modes of reproduction. Then in that we are going to discuss about each mode, that is asexual and sexual reproduction, and how plants do pollination and fertilization process. And after that we are going to discuss how fruits and seed formation takes place and how once the seed are formed, how they are dispersed from one place to another. So these are the topics that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Now, first of all, we know that all the living organisms that are present on the earth or on the land, on the water, or are living have the capability to produce new individuals. Now, because of that, when they produce new individual, that process is known as reproduction, or the proper definition for that is, it is a process of producing a new organism from the existing organism. So what is existing organism? Basically the parent that is giving birth to the new individual, or we can say to the offspring. So that process is known as reproduction. Now if any organism or any animal need to survive on this planet, or their species need to be grown on the planet, what they need to do is they need to produce their young ones, and because of that this reproduction process becomes very important. Now in some of the cases, like in asexual reproduction, we'll see the offsprings are exact copies of the parent, as they get the exact DNA or exact characters from their parents. So because of that, this process becomes very important for each and every species residing on this planet for their survival and preservation. If this process won't occur, what will happen? There will be lack of the species, or we can say that there will be extinction of species. And we have seen in many of the cases where only few animals have left, they are extinct because there is lack of this process. So that is how important this process is, and in brief we are going to discuss each and every type and how the organisms do this process in this chapter.